In Zimbabwean politics, few figures are as elusive and resilient as Professor Jonathan Moyo. Over 2 decades, he has survived factional battles, exiles, and the ever-shifting corridors of power, earning a reputation as a political cat with 9 lives. Sabina mashoko buda panguva inochonekwa kunzi aiwa Jonathan Moyo anozivikanwa kunzi is the man behind constitutional amendment. Zvese zviri kuitika panguva ino ndiko zvako kamukomana kari in exile kari kuronga zvese izvi achisangana nana ziyambi. Don't go subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Continue mnamubuda nepamuchinzi Jonathan Moyo, the political cat with 9 lives. He first entered the arena during debates over constitutional reform in the late 1990s. Seizing the moment, Moyo turned his academic insight into political leverage, quickly marking himself as both a critic and a strategist who could navigate the system. By the early 2000s, Moyo had moved from observer to architect of power. As Minister of Information, he helped craft laws that shaped Zimbabwe's political landscape, consolidating authority while cementing his own influence at the heart of the government. But even the most influential insiders can fall. Factional rivalries soon forced him into exile. Moyo's return was a masterclass in political survival. He tested his strength as an independent candidate, re-entered government, and aligned with Emmerson Mnangagwa to centralize party power and peg rivals. Yet, his independence remained. Even as an insider, he clashed with the powerful factions, leading to another exile. From Kenya, he has continued to shape debates on governance, constitutional reform, and presidential term extension. Recent leaks even suggest Zimbabwe's Justice Minister may be consulting him on these high-stakes issues, proving that Moyo's influence is far from gone. Through triumphs, setbacks, and comebacks, Jonathan Moyo has shown what it means to survive and reinvent in Zimbabwean politics. Like a cat with 9 lives, he lands on his feet every time, ready to play the game again. Mashoko anobuda panguva ino anoonekwa kunzi mukomana Jonathan Moyo panguva ino even ZANU-PF yakamutadza and panguva ino havangadi kutombomuluza. Right now tikuona vana ziyambi they are consulting him. Even arimo muexile macho vari kuonekwa kunzi havachakwanisi kuenda mberi kana iye asipo. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro penhau yaJonathan Moyo. Pena kupensa kuchemeredza mafunguro enyu, musanga subscribe or like, chetombe bell icon.